you know the goddamn well you ain't gonna grab it.
You have to take that fast because they be hollering.
Look at you talking about some let me grab it. Gabe, you can't never catch nothing. Stop, Sarah Lee. Ass whooping. Ass whooping. Stop. 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 Back up. Hey, girl, hey. So we are out here taking pictures, and right now, Gabe is trying to catch the pig. You got him? Liam, leave the cameraman alone. Liam. Move, Gabe. Move, Gabe. Liam. What do you want? You get in here and grab him, you scared ass. Scared as hell. Liam, stop. Gabe right there.
I'm trying to grab one of the pigs. This is not going to...
I don't know how y'all doing this. Baby, you just better take pictures and take pictures and take pictures. You just gonna have to take pictures. I knew you weren't gonna catch that pig. You ain't even try. You all out of breath.
Come here. Oh.
You got Liv. Liv, stop.
Oh.
Liv, let it go.
Come here. Look.
This is
you
a
gotta
terrible
take a picture.
Y'all, this is a badass photo shoot.
It is. That's why I said it might not be.
You ready?
Okay.
Turn around. Okay, stand up. Just stand up. Watch out. Hold on, wait a minute. We grabbed the one for one.
He's the famous one now.
Shouldn't have grabbed him though. Should have grabbed SSI Junior the third.
Okay.
Okay, grab a horn, Gabe. Just grab a horn.
What's that rooster?
I see him. You ready? Act like you ain't scared.
It ain't good. Oh, watch the phone.
Uh-oh. Oh. Go on, carry your ass on. Carry your ass on. Go, Liv. We gotta do. Hey. Oh, grab Sarah. Come here, SSI Junior the third.
Huh?
His name SSI Junior the third. He right there. Dang can't do shit. Not with them.
Okay. I got him in the headlock.
Yeah, cause he easy.
I'm trying to watch his horn.
Oh. Now look, hurry up. Grab that piece and then grab this.
This is bad.
He moved a little bit. Hold on, don't let him hit my eye. Oh, Harry, sir. Help.
You let him?
Help.
You better get him. Oh, he got your hair. He got your hair.
I just got it done.
Might should have picked one or two of.
What? Look at him trying to hump the cameraman. Y'all the ones who said, let's go take pictures on the phone. Let's do it. Okay, so what's okay, Gabe, you still trying to catch the pig? He's so heavy. Okay. We can't, he is very heavy. Alright. Okay, which way you want to take him? He heavy as hell. Oh, Uncle, come here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, just hurry up.
1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2.
You didn't even help. You didn't help me pick him up. Talking about us.
We're gonna really have to just sit down on the ground, and they'll just come back over. Don't you think?
Y'all, we trying to have a photo shoot out here. And yes, these are different, whatever they call. These is different overalls. So how you trying to sit down? Here, catch the duck.
The duck probably the easiest one here.
Yeah. Hold on, knock
Oh! You the cute one. That one I messed up.
That one back fucked up. Ass whooping. Ass whooping, Liam. I don't even know if y'all can hear us.
Bad idea.
Yeah, this was a very bad one. Liam, stop. Okay.
on, little move.
I hope you just taking pictures.
I'm just taking.
Because you gonna have to. This shit is terrible.
Get your ass on. They trying to eat my damn thing.
Where that duck go?
Hey, you eat my damn boots.
Stop, y'all.
This is bad.
Gabe, come on, block the duck off our kitchen. I know you're tired. Okay. The cute one. You go in the front. I go in the back. Move, Liam. Okay. Gabe. Block him, Gabe. Block him, Gabe. Take your side. Block your side. Did you block him? This is a lot.
Yeah, you tired already?
I'm sick.
He tired as fuck.
Go back a little bit.
Okay.
Go back a little bit.
How far back?
Keep going.
I'm going to pass him off to you.
All right.
All right. Liam, get out that
Watch that star
camera.
block.
Get out that camera.
I'm trying to get my damn pen.
Liam.
Look at that.
Liam, leave the cameraman alone. I'm tired.
Me too. I'm not a bird. I need some drink.
My baby in that crowd.
Get out of the way.
Y'all, he attacking the cameraman. Y'all, he is attacking the cameraman. He's so lit. Liam lit. Liam, stop.
You ready? Kick your ass on.
Y'all,
Let the man do his job.
just let him do his job.
Come on, man, move.
Can I get right there?
He's trying to take pictures.
Liv don't give a fuck about nobody.
This is bad.
Liv, leave that cameraman alone.
What's up, Sean?
Let him alone.
All right, we ready.
All right.
Liam!
Liv, leave that cameraman alone.
Quick. This is bad.
Somebody help him. They always calling for me to Liv, stop. Stop acting like whooping.
We did you like that, Jim?
Yeah, go ahead.
You ready?
Yep. What? One, two.
Stop.
Okay, you come on my
One,
ass.
two.
Get your ass on.
All right, come on, Gabe. We're going to get Gabe by himself with the ducks.
I don't know if I can hold that damn.
Oh, this duck shit.
Yeah.
He's sitting on the shit.
Oh, God. I ain't gonna hold that bitch shit.
Okay, look. Okay, catch his picture real quick, okay?
Oh, wait,
Ready?
it's dropping shit.
1, 2, 3. Did he fly?
Yeah, he flew a little bit.
Bird
You
just
got
shit all
shit all over your damn
over.
book.
Shit all over the shit. The duck just shit everywhere.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
It's best to take pictures with your lamb outside today.
But if we grab the lamb and put the lamb in, we can have all the animals in it.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see if I can order.
I need something to drink.
Hey, I got some tequila. I know, I'm just saying, baby. You know, Sarah Lee, you must got on some good cologne. Sarah Lee! Tell him hey. Say hey. Say it's time to take a picture. Let me grab these guns, Gabe.
Okay.
Just hold the baby. Go ahead, get Gabe with the baby.
All right. Get out my food. You gonna sit down? Here we go.
Gabe, you gotta hold them right.
I'm hungry.
Look, there you go. What?
Look how he holding that baby.
One, two,
Look how he holding that baby.
and 1, 2. Look, there we go. I'm gonna take everything. Look. One more time. Look at
Don't you talk to him like that, Gabe. I heard you.
He's jumping. He's jumping.
They got all them places.
He don't stink like that. It stink outside. My baby got on Nicki Minaj perfume.
Okay. Grab him.
He do.
This is my Okay, calm down. Calm down. You gonna
Don't have him hauling, Gabe.
calm down.
All right, let me sit down. Let me take a picture
Okay.
of him and chill.
Oh, God.
Oh, no, I want to take a picture like this.
Right there.
Stay sitting down, baby. Stay sitting down.
All right, 1,
You
2,
ready?
3. Hold it. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. One more like that.
Good
1.
outside.
I ain't
They
even.
eat all my damn boots and shit.
1.
I don't know how this.
You good?
I don't know how this picture looks on that.
man.
When I catch that damn rooster,
Y'all do
that's,
some behind the scenes anyway.
yeah, we sure did, but this is a mess behind the scenes.
Yeah. This is bad.
All right, we gotta catch the turkey.
Okay.
They don't want to rooster.
When I say I can't catch it,
Stop.
and you know he keep fighting. When I say we gotta catch something, just know I be the person that's catching.
Move. Grab that girl.
Oh yeah, I ain't grabbing that big mean bitch.
Move. Stop.
Don't put that baby down for him to get dirty.
Oh, don't hurt her. Oh, shit.
Don't put down like that. Gang.
Uncle on your leg, huh? Oh.
That motherfucker went there.
Right, that's the boy.
I get cause that's the only way I could grab it first. Here, baby, you gonna have to take the baby.
Oh, God. Go over there. Go over there. Maybe we might should have just gave him some food or something.
We can beat him before we leave. Okay. Get down, boy! Freak! And you scared of cock-a-doodle doing.
Okay.
Oh, shit, I almost had him. Okay, Gabe, you got to block him out.
Okay.
You ready? Did you hear me say, Gabe, you ready? He said,
That damn hand's so damn sad over there. I wonder what's wrong with her.
probably want a boyfriend. She's supposed. She don't want to be
What we grab? Okay, sorry.
just either one. Whichever one we can grab.
Oh, okay. You got it. Oh my God.
I gotta grab his leg,
Yeah,
his
what you
wings.
need me to do here?
I need you to help me. Grab his wings, Gabe. The wings. You gotta grab them. Yeah.
I'm so damn scared I ain't lying. Maybe she grab the other.
You gotta grab both the wings. Y'all, Gabe won't help me. Hell, just grab one leg.
Let's pick it up again.
Okay. No, Sarah! She biting me. Sarah, stop!
Let him go.
Gabe, just grab one leg and I can grab the wings. Hold them upside down. Hold the other leg, Gabe.
Okay.
Hold the other leg.
I got it.
You gotta hold both of them at one time. Okay. You ready? Hold them. Don't drop them.
I know you trying to get mine. Okay. You got him.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Ready?
Let's go to this chair.
Okay, get on your good side because this other my good side. You ready?
Okay. Ooh.
What's that? Hold it.
I don't want him to tag.
2. And what? 2. Gotcha.
Make sure you get this one.
Hold on.
Did you get hurt?
No, you scratched me.
Oh, my God.
He scratched the shit out of me.
Gabe.
Okay,
What
you need to grab the pig though, and that's it.
Okay, you're going to have to block it off. I don't want to fall. Block it off. Y'all, these, huh? I hope you got it. Oh, falling. I don't want to fall. All right, block the pig off. They over here. These motherfuckers is fast. I kid you not. We need to put this thing up before we go. You see it, yeah, but you don't never go.
Well, come out here, we don't have no eyes out here.
Okay, you ready? Ooh, these ants get you. Help me.
Hey, I got your phone.
Ass whooping. Liv, you getting a whooping for messing with that phone. You getting a whooping. Back up. Hey, you guys, this is just a little bit behind the scene. Y'all drop them hey, girl, hey. Okay? Frank, leave that man britches alone.
I'm over it now.
Come on, gang, we can do it. Her.
Yeah.
I'm
Run
running.
over here.
Okay. Block him. I knew you wasn't gonna block him. What is so funny? What?
I don't feel good.
What is so funny? Lord, his thing coming out. Look. Do you see it, Gabe?
Oh,
That one right there.
we ain't getting him yet.
Sus. You don't see his thing coming out? I'm whooping you. They need some coochie on the farm. They definitely do.
We got a girl pee.
They need a girl.
I don't know, sir. I'm out of breath. I don't feel good.
Stop, Liv. Come on. Let's take some more pictures. Yeah, I hope you did get some good pictures.
I hope we got enough.
Look, here we go. Look, Liv calm and everything.
All right, over right there. Stay right there. All right. Ready, Gabe?
Yeah, I don't look bad.
1, 2, 3.
All right, the pigs right there.
I just said I don't like no beef fish.
You don't, they're gonna be good. Trust the process. Oh my God! Those look so good. Where is the one of the? See, oh my
Yeah,
God!
they do look good. Oh,
Yep, that one. Those are good.
yeah, they are good. I thought about it with a mess. That's a damn good camera.
Come on, babe. Come on, get ready. Set, go. Trip him. Knock that bitch. Grab him, Gabe. You never been down. Do you see this?
I did. I was
You
grabbing.
never been down to grab him.
I wasn't grabbing. It stinks out here. I can't breathe.
We need to put that damn rooster up.
We damn sure do. Is that hen all right?
I don't know. We need to just put that damn rooster up. We should have been on bingo. I swear I'm getting back on bingo. Okay, who?
Right over there.
2. 1, 2, 3.
So when he turning the sexy red, because you already know. Okay?
Right over there.
Okay, well, you got to get on the other side. No. You run them. Never mind. Go. Go. Okay, come on, Gabe. We can't sit there. I'm tired of these motherfuckers. And I got to put this chicken up. I'm going to throw a bucket over that chicken head.
Yeah.
SSI Junior the third. Did we get any pictures with SSI Junior the third?
Get in there and get your
Let me
damn.
catch him. Come on, get some of me standing down. You ready?
Okay.
I can't hold him up like that.
2, 3. 1, 2. And 1, 2, and.
Hey, SSI. Look at that damn rooster.
If he
That's
get
why
in
you can't trust him.
there, if he get in there when I'm close,
We can
to
slam him. You think you can help us catch the rooster? He's scared.
Yeah. Give me that bucket.
Oh, shit. We're going to kill a whole rooster.
Oh God.
How we going to catch that rooster? Go ahead, try it. You too scared of it to do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. Fuck was
That
that?
ain't gonna work.
What was
That
that?
bucket ain't gonna work.
Gabe, what did you just do?
I tried to put a bucket over his head.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
Leave him out till tomorrow.
That duck might be dead. He gonna fuck that duck up.
He's been out all day now.
And look at the duck. The duck eyes was just getting better.
Come on, let's get him there. What about this red thing? That probably
That's
good.
what I was thinking. I tried to get his head. That motherfucker said, "Caca."
That's in that way.
It's a little bit of it's water in there. Oh. Everybody's scared of this damn rooster.
Even a pig.
That rooster came and took charge. Y'all still here? Hey, girls, hey. Oh, introduce yourself, cameraman. Tell me where to find you. So, y'all, this is the cameraman. He take really, really, really good pictures. I can't believe he came out here to the country ghetto like that, but he did.
Yeah, I'm captured by Q Capture with a K. You can find me that on Instagram, Facebook. personal page, Q, photo guy, Reed.
Oh shit.
Did you get
Hit
dirty?
me up.
Yeah.
Hit me up.
Damn, I did too.
I'm going to change.
I want to eat.
What's the head?
Oh, I ran dead into the thing.
We all be good.
All right. Okay, Gabe. Enough is enough. We gotta stop playing. Where he at?
He flew over here.
Damn.
We ain't gonna catch him. Nigga trying to beat up that dog.
Oh shit. Damn. Grab that phone, Gabe.
Move. Move, freak.
Frank, why would you even touch that? The baby in there crying.
Hey, y'all. It's a bad day.
It is not no bad day. I don't know how to.
Fuck 'em.
Gabe, I'm gonna tell you, I can't catch it.
Me neither.
I can't catch that motherfucker.
Just pray he just run away.
He gonna be fighting that duck all motherfucking night.
He is. Pray for the duck, y'all.
They gonna have to. I can't catch this damn thing.
I will kill that bitch out here.
Oh hell!
I'll get the damn chair and hurt this motherfucking ass. I don't like the motherfucker no way. Oh.
I cannot catch that chicken.
He needs to get in that damn fence and he gonna close his ass in there.
Gabe, come help me. I know you scared, but you gonna have to block that bitch off the front.
Damn, he's flying. Get his ass, just leave him out.
He gonna fuck our duck up. I already know. Y'all, we can't catch Ducky. It's a lot going. Why is all y'all on her? It's a lot of people on there. What should we do?
Pray. Pray about it. Maybe he won't be.
Pray is the best thing we can do. If we throw it outside, can it get back in?
Yes.
You think it can?
It'll fly on that damn thing and then fly back over here.
Damn.
Come on, let's not get shit. We gotta get this.
And then we gotta feed them too, man. He got the hell away. You got the hell away like you can actually come outside. Oh, no. This fast motherfucker. Gabe,
I'm about to beat that bitch ass.
this motherfucker, he fast. I'm scared of it. That's why I can't catch it.
I'll tell my dad to come out here.
I can't catch it because I'm halfway scared.
I'll tell my dad.
This motherfucker bit me one time.
It stinks like a motherfucker out here too.
Yeah, I think I can grab it. If we just corner it
Come
off.
here, SSI, move. Move. Oh, he did.
Hey, them people just corner it.
Huh? Damn.
That motherfucker fast. Okay, where we gonna corner it at?
Stop.
Uh-uh. Yeah, I got this bucket yet again.
I don't know what the hell we're gonna be able to do.
My baby's just in there crying. I can hear hollering.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Move.
SSI, join the search.
Stop.
SSI, you need to go. Go. I don't know what's wrong with the hen. Hates it here.
She's trying to beat up.
Probably.
Busted probably sore.
I was grabbing by the feet.
Yeah.
That might work. You love your country, bitch, don't you? No, you do. I'm finna catch that. What?
Okay, come on, come on.
I'm finna grab that bitch by the feet. He be grabbing them by the feet. All right, corner game. Oh,
Oh, he ran to the Fuck him.
yes, it bites.
Fuck his ass. Leave him alone, hell.
I
I'll
do.
tell my dad and them come out here and get him because they're the only ones that's brave enough. They'll get him. They Mexican.
Okay, there you go.
He ain't in the fence, dog.
He on the outside of it. Okay, Gabe, you get right here real quick. I'm gonna get him. I ain't gonna let him bite you. Hey, you was on the wrong side.
Just leave him alone.
I'm gonna have to. Let's just get him some food.
We just have to pray.
We'll
We'll try to get him tomorrow. How about that? We'll be all right tomorrow. Can't do it. If I hit that bitch with a chair.
Let me turn the camera off. I said, let me turn the camera off, child. Y'all, we can't catch that chicken. That rooster. It's so mean. Okay, y'all, we'll be back. We'll be back.